Hello and welcome to Club Creations, where you decide what we create. In today's video, I'm going to show you 10 ways you can cook fufu. Make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell to never miss a creation. Let's get into it. You know what bangers and mash is, but have you tried bangers and fufu? Fufu's just got this chewier texture that's just so good. So I decided to combine my favourite comfort food with fufu and it's absolutely gorgeous. Oh my days, you lot kept requesting fufu donuts. Honestly, I didn't think it was possible until I tried it and it actually tastes alright. Simply cook your fufu as normal and then roll it out into a thin line like that. And then you want to do a loop-de-loop, just look at them O's. It kinda looks like onion rings. Spray it with oil and whack it in the oven. I don't even know why I didn't think of this one myself. Fufu Yorkshire pudding is a genius idea. I love Yorkshire pudding and fufu, so why not combine them both? First up, obviously make your fufu, and then get a cupcake baking tray, fill it all up, and then put mini balls of fufu in those trays. Press it all around so it looks like mini Yorkshire puddings. Whack it in the oven for 15 minutes, and they're done. Look at that, crispy and golden. Fufu Yorkshire pudding. Perfect for dipping in gravy. Oh my days, you need to try this fufu shepherd's pie. Who knew fufu could be a mash alternative? Perfect for vegans. It's dead easy to make. Fry up your meat and then rinse it under cold water. Fry up some onions and peas and then place the meat back in. Set that aside to cool down and then make your fufu. Put the powder and water together until it looks like that. Prepare your gravy. Once that's done, pour the gravy into a dish. Add the meat in. Mix it all up and then plop your fufu on top. Whack it in the oven for about half an hour at 180 degrees. Oh my days, I didn't think fufu cheese balls was possible. It's actually crazy that it works. So first up, you want to make your fufu and then roll it into a sausage like this. Chop it up into little chunks, roll it up into a ball and then flatten it. Grab some cheese, place it into the fufu, wrap it up so it forms into a ball and then whack it in the oven for 10 minutes. Look at that. I didn't know fufu could be used as a breakfast. You lot were asking for fufu cereal, so I gave it a go. Form the fufu into little flakes and whack it in the oven. I was in Sainsbury's and found another kind of fufu.
Cocoyam fufu and plantain fufu. Which one is going to taste better?
On the instructions, it's literally the same as the plantain fufu. Mix the flour and water together. So to my surprise, it went pink. Kinda looked like minced prawn. Anyway, let's give it a go.
Of course, I'm going to pair it with some beef stew. Some beef on there.
Honestly, I think yam fufu is better than plantain fufu.
Now, plantain fufu. Beef on there again.
Yam fufu is just chewier and bouncier, but plantain fufu is still good though. I'm never going back to plantain fufu now. All nice. I never knew that fufu could go beyond savoury dishes. I made a fufu waffle, and I can't believe it actually tastes alright. So first up, make your fufu, and then place your fufu on a waffle maker. Leave it in there for 10-15 minutes until it's nice and golden brown like that. Simply place some butter on top, whipped cream, chocolate sauce and some cocoa powder to finish it off. This looks absolutely amazing. Give it a go. So I made fufu hot chocolate because you lot kept asking and it's actually not too bad. I decided to make a chocolate flavoured fufu and a normal fufu to compare them both. To make the chocolate flavoured one, you simply just pour in some cocoa powder into the mixture and then mix it all up until it forms. The chocolate fufu was a bit bitter, so you should add some sugar in it. But the normal fufu with hot chocolate was... Oh my days. I tried out fufu mochi. You lot are actually mad for asking for this. This one does not taste nice. Fufu's just way too thick.